Hello everyone. Now today we are going to discuss the now new topic that is the sphere and sphere, hemisphere, formulas. So sphere, as you know, it is in the sea just like the one ball, and it consists of the four small circle. When it is four small circle, when they merge together, they form a sphere. So yes, this is the ball. This ball is the example of sphere. It consists of the four circles, and then the four circles when combined together, it form the sphere. This is the sphere. So when I use the complete ball, so I will finding the area of the sphere. The area of sphere formula is the 4 pi r square. The area of the sphere is the 4 pi r square is the formula for the sphere. So this sphere formula came because we have already told. You can see in the book this figure is given one, and you can this is on sphere. It consists of small four circle, one circle, two circle, three circle, four circle, and the area of circle is the pi r square. So another will be pi r square, pi r square, pi r square. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 multiplied with the area of circle will become 4 pi r square. This 4 pi r square came because we have the four circles. So when the four circle will multiply with the 4, then the pi r square will come. So this is the area of circle sphere formula. Now what happened? The sphere can be divided into two parts. So one part can be the half sphere, somewhat like this, and that the top part will be in the shape of the circle. This will become the half part. This half part we called hemisphere. Means the half of the sphere is called the hemisphere. If the area of a sphere formula is 2 pi r square and it consists of the four circle, the area of the hemisphere will be I think you got the answer, 2 pi r square. This is the area of the hemisphere, curved surface area of hemisphere, curved surface area of the hemisphere will be the curved surface area of hemisphere will be how much? The 2 pi r square, CSA of the. Now why I did the curved surface? Now when I have to find total, so I will be including this top part, and this top part is in the shape of circle. So total surface area of the hemisphere will be 3 pi r square. I think got it. What I had explained, this is sphere is a 4 pi r square, it consists of four circles. When I do take the half sphere, it becomes hemisphere. This is a 2 pi r square. Then total surface sphere will be, the total surface means when I will the sphere, half sphere, I'll use the top part also. Top part is the shape of the circle. So I am adding the one more pi r square, 3 pi r square will be the total surface of hemisphere. So this is the three formula that will be used in the exercise number 13.4. This much you understood now. Now sphere, hemisphere, and the total surface of the hemisphere. So first question, second question are very simple, and now what we have to do in first and second questions, you can read that one. Find the surface area of a sphere of radius. Means we have to find surface area of a sphere and radius is given. Three questions are given. So I am going to solve only one because the rest two are very easy. Only you have to apply the formula and get the answer. And the second question, what is surface area of the sphere of diameter? 40 centimeter. That is also simple. Our diameter is given. We will find the radius and we will put in the formula. So we will get the area of sphere. This first one I am going to solve only one question of this first and second, because that only you have to apply formula and get the answers. I hope you will be easily doing that one. So first question says that in first question radius is 10.5 centimeter, and we have to first part, and we have to find a surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere 4 pi r square. 4 22 upon 7, radius 2 times 10.5 multiply 10.5 because the r square is here. So this on calculations will get 1386 centimeter square is the answer. So this is the answer for the how to find the area of the sphere when the radius is given. Now in second question the diameter is given, so we have to find diameter. This is the second question, first part. It is given that diameter is 14 centimeter. Obviously with the help of diameter we can get the radius. The radius is the diameter, half of the diameter. 14 divided by 2, 7 centimeter. Again we have to put in the same formula, surface area of sphere. Four pi r square. 4 pi value 22 upon 7. R is the 7 multiply 7. 7 will cancel with the 7. 4 into 22 88. 88 multiply with the 7. 616 centimeter square. 616 centimeter square. Now this completes the question number 2. Now question number 3. So this remaining two you can solve, remaining two you can solve. These are simple questions. Third question says that we have to find total surface area. Total surface area of hemisphere we have to calculate, and the radius is given 10 centimeter. And the pi value we have to put 3.14. So we have to find total surface area of hemisphere. Total surface area of hemisphere. Total surface area is 3 pi r square. 3 22 upon 7. Radius is the 10 multiplied 10. So it will be equal to how much? Now 3 pi r square is the formula. So 3 pi r square because we have to find total surface area of the hemisphere. So on the solving you will get the 942 centimeter square is the answer for the third question. Now we have to solve the question number 4. This is very also simple question. It is given and the hemisphere we have to find total, and it is written clearly total. That is also not done. Now fourth question, see. The radius of the spherical balloon. The spherical balloon means in the shape of sphere. Increase from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter. Means there is one balloon. First it has the radius 7 centimeter. Then it increased to 14 centimeter when the air is being pumped into it. Means when we fill the air. Now we have to find ratio of the surface area of balloon in two cases. First case is when the radius is 7 centimeter. Second case is when radius is the 14 centimeter. So as the two radius are given, so I am going to take the radius, small radius as the 7 centimeter and bigger radius as the 14 centimeter. Because the two radius, so bigger radius are written the capital R, small radius are written the 7 centimeter. But you can write R1 and R2. That is not that will not mean the difference in the answer. Now, so we have to find the ratio. The ratio of the surface area equal to 4 pi r square when the radius is when the radius 7 centimeter divided by ratio means we have to divide the number 4 pi r square. I think you got when the now 4 pi will cancel, and the r square is the how small r is 7. 7 multiply with the 7 and the 14 multiply with the 14. 7 1 the 7, 7 2 the 14. 7 1 the 7, 7 2 the 14. So 2 into 2 will come 1 upon 4. That means 1 ratio 4 is the answer for question number fourth. Now fifth question. In fifth question, there is hemispherical ball. It is clear that this is the shape in the is the hemisphere, and the ball is having the inner diameter. Inner diameter. Inner diameter is how much? 10.5 centimeter. If inner diameter is 10.5 meter, then means inner radius will be also inner radius will be half of the diameter. So half of the 10.5. I already told how to find, put the zero. This is again time, one more time we call this diameter centimeter. This much. Now after that, what is written that we have to find the cost of the inside. Now here we don't need outer radius also, because the inner diameter is given and inner cost only here it is asked to find in the question. So very simple, we have the inner radius, inner diameter. First we'll find the area, then we'll multiply to find the cost. So what is the cost of the thin plating? So first we'll find the area of the hemisphere. Curved surface area of hemisphere will be 2 pi r square. Pi value we have to take till now 22.7 only. 22.7. Radius will be 5.25. 5.25. Now on this we have to get this answer. So 5.25, 5.25 on solving will get the 173.25 centimeter square as the answer for inner curved surface area. Now cost is given. Cost of the tin plating. Cost of the tin plating means we have to tin plating. We have to put the tin plating from the inside. It is given that cost of tin plating is the 100 centimeter square. For 100 centimeter square is rupees 16. I have already told in the previous video, if the 1 centimeter square value is given, no problem. Here it is given of 100, we will find a value of 1 centimeter square. The cost of the tin plating one centimeter square will be 16 upon 100. 16 upon 100 is the answer. Now this much we got. Now we have to find the total cost. The cost of 173.25 centimeter square, 16 upon 100, 173.75. So on multiply this we get 27.72 is the answer. Now question number 6. Let's complete the question 5th. Now 6th you can see this is also simple question. What we have to do, and this question we have to find radius. We have to find the radius and the sphere area is given. Surface area of sphere is given. How much? 154. It is given in the question at surface area is the 154 centimeter square. We have to find radius. We will put the formula 4 pi r square 154. 4 22 upon 7. Radius we have to calculate 154. So 4 into 22, 88 r square 154 multiply 7 r square 154 multiply 7 divided by 88. 88. Now on this dividing, we will get the answer 12.25. 12.25. This is the r square. R will be the square root of 12.25. I think you know how to find the square root of 12.25, or you can do it by factorizations also. So this is the perfect square of the 35. That is the 35, the perfect square, that means 3.5 meter. 3.5 meter is the radius. This completes question number 6th. Now we have to solve the question number 7th. So this get completed. Seventh question. Now seventh question is a little different question. And the first, let me read for you. It is said in the question, diameter of the moon is the approximately the 1/4. 1/4 means the fourth part of the diameter of the earth. Means that the diameter of the moon is the fourth part of the earth, means the diameter of the earth is the 4 times bigger than the diameter of the moon. We have to find the ratio of their surface area. So diameter of the earth is obviously very greater. How much it is greater? 4 times, as according to this question. So we will find the surface area. To find surface area, we need the radius. We need the radius. So what we will do? Diameter of the diameter of the moon, find diameter of the earth. So what we will do? We will take the diameter as the, either if you want to take diameter as the d, you can take d. Otherwise you can take as the r for diameter of the moon is the r. Diameter of moon is the r. Then diameter of earth you can take. Diameter of earth you take as the r. Then the diameter of the, I am writing here. Diameter of the moon will be the 1/4 part. 1/4 part. 1/4 part. 1/4 part means 1/4 multiply r. So we can write is the r/4. This is the diameter of the moon. Now, but with the help of diameter, we cannot find the surface area. We need the radius. If diameter of moon is r, then obviously the radius of the earth will be how much? Radius of the earth will be r/2, because half of the diameter is the radius. So I am writing is the capital r/2. Similarly, if the diameter of the moon is r/4, the radius of the r/4 divided by 2. I am writing in the direct form because so that you can understand how is the divided by 4. Because the diameter is the radius is the half of the diameter, I have to divide r/4, but it is in a fraction form. So you had to study this one. When the divide sign is removed, the multiply sign come. So 1/2, the divide sign is removed, multiply will come, but one number will in the reciprocal form. So 1 will go up, 2 will come here. So what is the answer? r/8 is the radius of the moon. Now we have to find ratio of the surface area. Ratio of surface area, as both are in the shape of the sphere. So we will put is equal to will be equal to the 4. Here we have to put the radius of the surface area of the, I am writing on the moon on the top and radius of the earth on the down. So 4 pi and radius of the moon is the how much? r/8 square divided by 4 pi, radius of the earth is the r/2. Why square came? Because sphere formula is how much? Sphere formula is 4 pi r square. So we have to do the square of radius. So I had written the radius is the r upon 2, the square, here the square sign is there, so I put the square sign. Because the square, in formula you have to put the square radius. Now 4 pi will be cancel. This will be equal to what? R square upon 64. Okay, and this will be equal to what? And here the divide sign there, so I am writing divide from r square upon, and the 2 square is how much? 4. Okay, now this divide sign when we remove, so this will be equal to what? The divide sign r square upon 64. When I remove the divide sign, the multiply will come. Multiply will come on one conditions, when the this 4 this r square upon 4 is there, 4 will go up and r square will come down. This r square and r square cancel. 4 upon 64, 4 ones are 4 and 4 16s are 1 upon 16. So 1 upon 16 is the ratio. 1 upon 16 is the ratio of the answer. You can see 1 upon 16 is the ratio. So this is the question number 7 get completed. So understood the diameter of the earth I took r, radius will be r upon 2. Diameter of the moon is the fourth part of the diameter of the earth. So r upon 4. Radius will be there dividing by 2, r upon 8. Then I put here the radius of the surface area of the moon, surface area of the earth. So 4 pi get cancelled because they are the constant number. R upon 8. So r square and the 8 square 64 and the r square and after the divide form and 2 square is the 4. Then the divide sign removed, so 4 will go up, r square will come down, r and r cancel, 4 upon 64, 4 upon 64 will cancel with the 4 table, 1 upon 16. 1 upon 16 is the answer. Now we will take the 8th question. This complete the question number 7. Now, in 8th question, we have to find outer curved surface area. And the first was writing what is given. In hemispherical ball is made up of steel of 0.25 thickness. That means thickness is given 0.25 centimeter. And the inner radius is given 5 centimeter. Now we have to find outer radius. So I have already told what is the formula for outer radius. The outer radius is the inner radius plus thickness. Or width, in some questions width is written, some questions thickness is written. So 5 plus 0.25 will be 5.25 centimeter. This is the outer radius. Now you may be having doubt why I find outer radius, because in the question it is asked that there is the one hemispherical ball that is having a thickness of 0.25 centimeter. The radius is the inner radius is the 5 centimeter, and it is asked in the question find outer for outer area, outer curved surface area. To find outer curved surface area, I need the outer radius. So how to get outer radius? Inner radius plus thickness. So now I got the outer radius. Now with this formula, we can easily find the outer curved surface area of hemisphere. So outer curved surface area of hemisphere 2 pi r square 2 into 22 upon 7. R will be how much? 5.25. 5.25. This is the 2 pi r upon 2 pi r. This is our formula to get the answer. Now after this we have to do the calculation to find the outer curved surface area. So same calculation we did in the question number 5 also. Same calculation. So we got the answer here 173.25 centimeters square. So this is the answer for the question number 8. This complete the question number 8. Now the last question left you can do as the try and do as the homework. Now this complete the exercise number 4 and now remaining 4 exercise left. So then you can practice the question. Thank you. Have a nice day.